Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm just making a random mirror fold shirt. I have my shirt turned inside out and I folded it in half. Then I'm going to take a ruler and a washable marker and draw a diagonal line on just a random area of my shirt. This one I'm starting underneath the sleeve. Then I'm going to fan fold this line and tie it up with some kite string. So now I'm ready to fold the bottom area of the shirt. What I'm going to do is lay it out flat, and then I tried to do a fold that I wasn't happy with. So I decided to just take that hem, pull it up to the side of my shirt, and begin an airplane fold. By folding the hem back again, turning it over, and folding it one more time. Then I grabbed down at the very end and spiraled it down on top of itself. Then using my kite string, I tied it up into the rest of my shirt. For the top area of my shirt, I'm going to kind of lay it out as flat as I can get it. Use my ruler again and draw just another random diagonal line on my shirt. Then I'm going to fan fold this line and tie it up with the kite string too. Now all I have left is the sleeves. So for these, I'm going to take my fork and I'm going to spiral them. Then tie them up with some kite string. Now I'm going to take these two areas of my shirt and just kind of press them together and bind this whole entire thing together as one. And tie it down really tightly with this kite string. Okay, so now it's time to start dyeing this. I got some new colors in today from Custom Colors, so I'm going to try a few of those. I'm beginning with Custom Colors Strawberry, and then I'm going to go to the very end and I'm going to put the grape. The grape is a Dharma Trading Company color. Then on the other side of the strawberry, I'm putting Custom Colors Purple number 521. Followed by Custom Colors Passion Fruit. I have a little bit of Dharma Plum that I have mixed up. I'm going to use that next to the Passion Fruit. Then I'm going back to the strawberry, followed by the grape, Passion Fruit again, the Purple 521, strawberry, and I'm ending with grape. I'm going to do this pattern on the back side as well. I'm making sure, since I've bound this so tightly with the kite string, that I get really good color saturation. So I'm going to add a whole lot of dye on this shirt. Alright, so here's what our random mirror shirt ended up looking like. I really like the new colors that I used from Custom Colors, especially the strawberry and the passion fruit. I think I've had the strawberry and the purple 521 before, but I only used them with ice dyeing, so this is my first experience using them with liquid dye, and I really like how they turned out. Hey, if you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day.